Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add live chat to your Wix website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Wix, and when you're gonna be there, just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you'll get on this site called Lsite. Lsite is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets for websites they have is a live chat. So let's go to the top right corner, sign up for free. Now we want to sign with a Gmail, Facebook, or normal mail, really up to you. And when you got it, click login. Here in applications, you want to write in search live, and then you're going to see line chat. Oh, it's called all in one chat. So that's what we're looking for. Let's create a widget. And here you have a general support booking. I really like the general one. And let's continue with the template. Now you just simply add the link that you have. So Facebook connection or Telegram. You add a link to Telegram or Viber. Just choose which one you want. You can also change the chat bubble, chat header, custom picture. Then just click on the right top corner, click save. Right after you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50 or 5 million views, go with the basic pro or enterprise. Let's copy the code here. Now when we got it, what you want to do now is just scroll down below, click add, custom empt widget. Enter the code here and paste the code here. Now when you're gonna have it, right click on it and click pin to screen and bottom and change the horizontal offset. I recommend making it a little bit lower. And now when I'm going to preview it, look at this. Beautiful, right? And this is how you can simply add a live chat to your Wix website. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll really happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.